Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and today we're going to be talking about a Pentair water valve. This one specifically is the 2-inch 3-port water valve. So this is part number 224700. We're going to open this guy up here. As you can see, we've got a lot of them ready to go. This one's a little different. So we've talked about 6-port water valves. This one is specifically for 3-port pools. So it has to be plumbed that way to begin with. They have a lot of nice packaging in here to protect this, guys. So here is the water valve. It looks just like any other 2-inch 6-port valve. However, you'll notice that 3 of the ports are capped. So these are capped. There's a specific cam inside that only allows one of these to open at a time. And then it allows you to have a 3-port configuration, essentially. So 2-inch by the diameter there on your leg coming out. This is going to control the pop-up heads in your swimming pool. Great valve replacement. This comes with everything you need. You have the shell, you have the gear kit inside, lid. This thing's ready to rock and roll. So the part number on this, 224700. That again is the 2-inch 3-port valve. We have lots of these in stock here at ePoolSupply.com. Also, come check us out in person, Bell and I-17, 2710 West Bell Road. We'd love to see you. I'm Greg. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.